Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up call logging in HubSpot using Gmail step by step clearly. To get started with setting up call logging in HubSpot using Gmail, first, open your HubSpot account. Navigate to the upper right corner and click on your profile icon. In the drop-down menu, select Profile and Preferences. Once you're in the settings, look for the Integrations section on the left sidebar. Click on Email Integrations. Here, select the option for Gmail. You will now see a prompt to connect your Gmail account. Click on the Connect Your Gmail Account button. A new window will open, prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Gmail credentials and proceed to allow HubSpot the necessary permissions. Once connected, you will return to the HubSpot email integrations page. Look for the option that says Log Calls to HubSpot. Enable this feature by toggling it on. Next, make sure the option to track calls is also turned on. You may want to set it to automatically log every call or choose manual options as per your preference. Now, navigate to a contact record in HubSpot. You will see a section that allows you to log calls. Here, you can add call details such as duration, notes, and outcomes. Once you've filled in the information, click on the Log Call button. To ensure everything is working, make a test call to verify it logs correctly. If the call logs in HubSpot as expected, your setup is complete. For any adjustments or troubleshooting, return to the email integration settings. Explore other customization options that might enhance your call logging experience. You have successfully set up call logging in HubSpot using Gmail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.